Cool. So today I want to take a look at this Fingerpick Slap. Not like bass slap quite. It's a fingerpick slap we've got going. It's a slightly different technique that we have on guitar. And I think it sounds really cool. I think it sounds great over chords. I think it sounds great on electric guitar too. I just love playing this way on the guitar. And I see a lot of people want to play it, but they really struggle with it. I'm going to look at it right from a fundamental level and how we can kind of do some cool stuff with it from there. Now, first thing about this is you want to get the technique down. Now, the technique itself to do this is this kind of movement. So if I get my hand, looks like this movement, okay? So I'm turning like I'm hailing down a cab. What I'm not doing is this. The wrist stays completely straight. I'm just turning the arm like this. So if I was on this leg, what most people are playing, it's just under there like that. And can you see how I'm fairly consistent about where it's hitting? So I'm hitting the guitar with exactly the middle of my thumb joint here. Now I know I have exceptionally kind of long, thin thumbs. Doesn't matter, it should be the same kind of place for you. And I'm hitting along strings, really string 5, but I'm hitting a little bit of string 6 sometimes too, you can see. Okay, now, this part of your thumb, when you're doing that, will probably blister up when you're practicing this, but it's worth it. I never get any problems with this part of my thumb now at all. I can hit it. I can hit it on a desk, and it doesn't hurt. Let me just. Okay, I know that probably hurt in the if you're wearing headphones right now, but I have literally no nerves there anymore, and it's not a problem. It's great for guitar. So if you're getting any pain, it'll be gone within a month or so. You just need to consistently practice this a little bit every day. So the first thing I would practice is just that wrist movement on the guitar here, and then we can try it with some chords. Now I like to couple this. So I'm doing thumb pick on the A string, and then I'm picking all 3. I'm a little bit out of tune. All right. So I'm picking all 3 of the rest of the strings below, so I'm going so 5 and then 4, 3, 2 all at the same time in a kind of claw motion. So get used to that motion, because we can do that on any chord. So if I'm practicing it, and a nice way to practice is just mute your hands on the string so we've got no sound. All right, cool. I think it sounds wicked. Have a go at it. I'd love to hear how those thumbs are getting on. It takes a little while to settle in, but this one's definitely worth it for me on acoustic guitar. I think it sounds great. It sounds great on electric too. I'm not going to demonstrate that for you now. I'd love to hear how you get on. So if you want to know more about acoustic guitar and any of the kind of guitar, so electric guitar and playing, subscribe to these videos, because I'm going to make a bunch more videos just because I love teaching guitar, I love playing guitar, and especially these little finger picking things that I'm really passionate about. I also teach in London, so if you're in London, love to meet you, love to have some lessons with you. If you're not in London, just enjoy the videos and subscribe and have a good time on there, and maybe share it with someone who is. All right, hit like, comment, subscribe, have a great time. Goodbye, see you next time.